Dear AI aspirants, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Projects. We are in the playlist of an AI, data analyst, machine learning engineer, data scientist, deep learning engineer, and generative AI. In this one, we are exploring the Python. Today, we try to see a range and for these two things we try to see it out. So now without further delay, now let us jump into the session. Now let us see what is this range. Now I am taking the help and passing the range. Okay, you can see range stop, a range object, a range it is having the start, stop and step size. So it will be giving the a continuous a sequence of an integer from start and exclusive to start is exclusive and stop is start is inclusive and stop is exclusive by a step size. Here they have mentioned range I comma j produces I plus 1 until j minus 1. So this is the explanation, and this will be the positive or forward direction. Start default is 0. Now in this one we try to see what is the negative index also. Yeah. So based on the help function we try to see if you are providing one value, so that will be the stop value, and the end value is equal to stop minus 1, and start value is equal to 0, that is inclusive, and step size, step is nothing but the positive direction, and it is a 1. So based on this what it will contain, so it is 0 1 2 until it will go to the 9. The same thing we can say explicitly like this. This is the start value, this is the end value, and this is the step size. So now in the first we have mentioned only the end value. Now in this case we explicitly saying the start is equal to 0 and is equal to stop minus 1, and step by default it will be the positive, and this is also try to produce from 0 1 2 until it will goes on to the 9. And third way explicitly we are saying 0 10 and 1. So the first one will be the start, second one will be the stop, and third one will be the step size. You can see start, stop, step size. The first one will be the start, second one will be the stop, and third one will be the step size. The first one is inclusive and the stop is exclusive, step size is a positive 1. Okay, this is the one. But how to print these values? So that is the thing. So we need to use the range. The data type of this function is called range. Yeah. For in range 10 you have to put the colon, and with 4 spaces intent I am printing I with a separator with a comma. Okay, now let us run. Before this item in this range, it will try to take element by element from this one, and it will try to do, otherwise end. Yeah, you can see 0 to 9 it has been printed. Now I am making use of the second method where I try to give the start value and stop. You can see we try to get the same thing. Third method, not only the start stop, I am giving the step size. You may ask the question, stop value is mandatory without passing anything. You cannot. Three values, especially the stop value, we cannot. And if we want to give two arguments, the first one will be the start, second one will be the stop. If we want to give three, start, stop and step, this is the order. So you cannot say, can I give first one is a step, second one will be the start, third one will be the stop. No, the order will be the start, stop and step size. And here is also one more condition. Now you need to see from 0 to 10 is a positive direction or not, with the step size of 1, whether we can reach or not. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, like that we can reach. In the generic condition in the positive thing is start should always less than to the stop, if this condition is matching or not. But fortunately or unfortunately, if we are going to give like this, reversing start and stop, but the condition is failed, so neither it will throw the error nor it will display the content. Neither it throw the error nor it will display the content. Anything it cannot do. So we need to check manually. The start should always less than the stop in the positive direction. Now I want to print alternative numbers. Alternative mean 0, 1. In the 0 to 10, I need to print alternative numbers. See, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. You can see 1 is skipped, 3, 5, 7, 9. But why it didn't print 10? Because 10 is excluded. So this is the one. The step size I have given as a 2 and the direction is positive. So like this step size also you can vary as per the thing. All this example shows in the positive direction. What about the negative direction? Yeah. Now you want to move 10 to 1. In the negative direction, you need to mention start, stop and direction also. The direction you need to give it like this. Okay. And here the very good thing is and is equal to stop plus 1. Previously the stop minus 1, you can see end is equal to, so a stop value is exclusive. Here end is equal to stop plus 1. So now, and the condition will be the start should always greater than the stop, and the direction should be negative, and the step whatever you want, here we have mentioned as an 1. So now it try to take the 10 and we try to see what it is going to see. 10, then it is printing 9, it is printing, see, even though it is 0, but end is equal to stop plus 1, so 0 plus 1. So this it will try to do that one. The stop value will be the this, so end value will be the this stop minus 1. So up to here only, this is the condition it will try to check. This is the condition stop plus 1, 0 plus 1. So it will also include the value end, until end it will go. See, end is equal to, here we can say 9, so up to 9 it is going. Here it is end is equal to stop plus 1, 0 plus 1, until 1 it will try to go. So don't just by seeing the start stop you cannot say the end value, you need to consider the direction also. And here I have considered the direction is negative, step size is minus 1. So here also you can do step size as a 2, and the direction is negative, start value always greater than this, then only it can print it. See, 10, 8, 642. Yeah, hope you understood the concept. In the negative direction, we need to provide all of them. The first one will be the start, second one will be the stop, third one will be the step size and direction. If you are providing 3, you need to provide only in the positive direction. If you can provide one value, it is the stop. If you provide 2 value, the first one is the start, second one will be the stop. If you provide a 3, start, stop and step size. So this is the one. So what is the use of a for loop? For you want to repeat a sequence of an execution, you need not to type again and again. So in that case, you can use the for loop. Example, I want to print 5 table. So I in range 1 comma 11 comma 1, I am providing all the 3. So start, stop and end, and print. What I am doing is f string. So 5 table min. So I am giving as an num n is equal to 5. So first I am mentioning the n, next I am mentioning as a star, then I am mentioning as I, then I am mentioning as equal, then n into I, and I am closing. So this is a 5 table. So 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. So like this it is a printing. So instead of writing this one, you can do the second one will be the print all the even numbers from 1 to 100. So here also we can do for I in range where you are telling 1 is included. Maybe if it is 100 is excluded or not, you need to ask. In our case 100 is excluded, so we are making as this, or you can make it as an all the even numbers. So 2, so like, or you can make it as a step size as a 1. Then previous case we have seen even number or odd number, the modulus of an 2 given number is even. So print I with end with a comma. Yeah. See, 98. If you want 100 also, give it as 101 and you can see 100. So these are the things. And if you want to print the odd numbers, simple, you take a copy of this one and you make it as not equal and make it odd numbers. Yeah. So like this it will try to print. Basically what we want to repeat, instead of typing manually, we can make it as a block and we try to call how many numbers by using the for and combination of an range. I hope you understood this one. What are the things we have covered? Range, for loop. Range, it try to take in the positive direction by default is the stop value, and if we want to provide 3 values, the first one will be the start, second one will be the stop, third one with the positive direction and step size, and start value is inclusive, stop value is exclusive. This is the one. And if we want to provide 2, the first one will be the start, second one will be the stop, and in the negative direction and the positive direction there is a condition. In the positive direction, start value should less than the stop, and negative direction is reverse, start values is greater than the stop. End value in the positive direction, stop -1, end value in the negative direction, stop +1, and every time based on the step size it will try to increment. By default it is a 1. You can give it as a 2, 3 based on your requirement. And what code it has to be executed in the for loop? It is a repeated code. You need to write the logic in such a way that it has to take the for loop for values and do for computing. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. we try to meet in the next video.